Hey everyone, it's Neil and I am going skiing soon. So I got myself this, let's check it out. I'll show you guys it. And we will check it out and try these on. These are ski pants. So these are, if we look at them close here, they've got a nice little reflective thing there. They got a zipper pocket and I got size medium. And I'm wearing some jeans right now. Okay, we can show you, we can try to put them on over the jeans even and see how they are. I guess that's might be even how I wear them, depending on what I'm doing. Let's just try it on. So I got tight jeans here. I wear, I don't know, 30, 31, something like that, pants. So let's see how these are. These are totally gonna fit over my jeans, no problem. I could wear long johns or something like that instead. They have the button here to put it on. They are bungee-ish here. They're a little loose up here. I would think that maybe I'll want to wear a belt with it, but let's give these things a try here and see how they fit. The pocket's good and deep. I can put my wallet in there, no problem. Just a little stretchy stuff over on the sides. Looks like it's got a pocket here in the back too with a zipper. Maybe I'll put my wallet back there, but these seem pretty good. I don't think I would get a small, so this is gonna be the size I would wear. Over my jeans, it fits good. I mean, it's not falling down now for sure, so these are good, comfortable, and I'm wearing them over my jeans. Not sure I'd wear them over my jeans or just wear long johns or something like that under there, but I may wear them. Let's see what the bottom looks like here. So if I have some ski boots on and need to zip and unzip, totally can do that here. And if you look at it, it's got like a velvety kind of stuff inside. It seems like it'd be soft against my body. And on the outside, it's got the nylon-y kind of spandex feel for it. So hopefully they're somewhat waterproof. May spray some waterproofing on them if I think about it. But I like them, so these are good. I'm gonna put a link to them in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thank you.